The solution for this one should be 12. Solution to this one should be 14. The solution should be 21. Solution on this one should be 9. Solution for this one should be -4. Pick a number from 1 to 10. The solution, or not the solution, but the winning numbers are 2 and 5. Your objective for today is, without a calculator, to be able to estimate the solutions for problem situations involving square and cube roots. The learning target is, after today, you could be able to say, I can determine the two integers between which a square root falls. Practice, or example number 1. The square root of 30. The square root of 30. Think of perfect squares. Perfect squares such as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Those are perfect squares. Over here, these are square roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In other words, what number do you multiply by itself to get 1? That would be 1. And so on for 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Which of these perfect squares does 30 fall between? 25 and 36. So you go back and find the square root of 25, which is 5, and the square root of 36 is 6. This is your answer and how you write it. The square root of 30 falls between 5 and 6, so therefore it's going to be 5 point something. But this is your answer. Another example. The square root of 93. Think of your perfect squares, such as 64, 81, 100, 121, and what their square roots are. 8, 9, 10, 11. Between what two perfect squares does 93 fall between? 81 and 100. So find the square root of each. That is 9 and 10. It's saved to the slideshow now with my voice over top of it. Try this and drop it off. Solution for the practice problem is that 60 falls between 49 and 64. The square root of each is 7 and 8. If you have that, come and get 2 million. Bonus problem. For the bonus problem, the solution is this. 63 falls between 49 and 64. The square root of each is 7 and 8. Another bonus problem. Solution for the bonus problem. 111 falls between 100 and 121. Their square roots are 10 and 11. Practice problem number 2. The solution for the practice problem is that 20 falls between 16 and 25. The square root of each of them would be 4 and 5. A bonus problem. The solution for the bonus problem is that 196 and 225 encompass 200. The square root of each is 14 and 15. Another bonus problem. everybody had the solution for the bonus. That would be 12 and 13. Speed problems. Answer for this one should be 0. Answer is 19. The answer is 14. Answer should be 42. Answer is 12. Example number 1 on the back half here. These numbers will be a little larger. You have to figure out between what two numbers the square root of 315 falls between. So you're going to end up with numbers such as 17. Actually, I skipped to the answer. I did that last period too. You'll have 289 and 324. The square root of each of those will be 17 and 18. And example number 2. The two perfect squares that 192 will fall between will be 169 and 196. The square root of each is 13 and 14. Bring this one up and drop it off. The solution for the practice problem: the two numbers that are perfect squares that 415 falls between is going to be 441 and then 400. And the square root of each of those will give us 20 and 21. Bonus problem number 1. Everybody had the bonus right, which should be 18 and 19. Bonus number 2. The solution for the bonus is 256 and 289. The square root of each of those will be 16 and 17. Bring this up and drop it off. 500 falls between 484 and 529. The square root of each of those is 22 and 23. A bonus problem. Everybody had the answer to this, which is 18 and 19. Bonus number 2. Everyone had this, which is 13 and 14. Homework assignment for today is speed problems set number 2. The answer for this should be 7. And the answer to this one is 16. The answer on this one is 51. Answer should have been 8.